Sign up in a gym, me a get fat, that me a worry about. My belly and me can do it out, so me a fi fast, almost pass up. I fi run, sun a shine till the place dark. Me a go damn now, my granny cook some run down, hungriness me now.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kim Nicole. As you can see by the description down below, you already know what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing something different than my usual unboxing, and which is a installation. With that being said, please remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on post notification for future uploads. And for today's installation, we are going to be installing a braided wig from MyBraidedHair Wig. They do have a website. I will link it down below. I will link the product, the hair product that I'm going to be installing today, and a discount code that I may have. It will be there as well. Just check my description, and also remember to subscribe to my social media pages, and which is also be linked down below. It's in my link tree as well, and it's in my beacon, and it's going to be on the screen. So multiple ways to follow my social media pages for different videos that I have not posted on this channel. Now with that being said, we're going to dive right into the installation. I won't be talking much. We're just going to go through it as quickly as possible, and then I'm going to show you guys the final look. Okay, so let's dive right into this installation. So while this is being dried, I'm gonna start to do my lace, and I'm using the ruby to change the color. Okay, so here is how it's looking, a little bit better. I have to put it back. I have to like look straight down. You won't see me, so I'm able to get like the line. So we're getting somewhere. Just need to finish melting the front, but so far the hair is really nice. It's very long as well, and I'm actually liking it. It's like a perfect hair for summer. It's 360, so you could always put it up if you want to put it up. I'm just gonna keep it down for now. Let's see if I can style it. Usually not. When it comes to braids, I like to just keep my braids down. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it down. I think I like it better when it's down. So while I wait for it to melt, I decided to put some of these clips on it, just to give it like a little cute look, like that. Excuse me. So let's see what's going on. I have a alcohol pad to clean up like any mess around my hair. It's not much of a mess to clean up. But here is the final look for the braided wig. I'm not even going to show you. I'm pretty much going to just do the back as a regular wig because I'm going to wear it down. So I don't really need to like glue the back or anything like that. But this is it. There's also a clip inside the wig that is going to secure it. And there's also a band, which I showed earlier, in the wig that's going to make it extremely tight on your head. So this is what the front is given. I put some little charms on it because, you know, I want to give it like that boho look. But here's the final look, guys. I'm gonna actually give you the full 360, but tell me what you guys think. I like it. I like the hair. It's like super soft. There's no like shredding or anything like that, and it's very affordable. Okay, so let me give you the 360 and then we're just gonna wrap up this video.